Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh Latte Macchiato with a DeLonghi Magnifica. First step, go to your DeLonghi ESAM3000 Magnifica Super Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Wow, this is a coffee maker. And for the first thing, we have to refill the water tank. Yeah. Pull out the water tank out of the appliance. Then you have to fill in, top up the water tank until you reach the maximum range with fresh, cold water. Yeah, this water is nice to make fresh coffee with your Magnifica Super Fully Automatic Espresso machine. Let's go back to the machine and push the water tank back in position. Only slide it in position. Now, water job is done, as you can see. Good job! Let's head up to step number 2. On the top side of your machine, there are 2 covers. The left cover is for the coffee beans, and the center cover is for the filter coffee. This is ready coffee. You can give it into the center of the machine, but only 1 cup. Now, let's open the coffee beans basket, as you can see. Yeah, slide it. Oh, yeah. Use a scissor for this and have a look for your fingers protected. Now, smell the freshness. Oh, delicious. Open the cover and then you can take the fresh, delicious coffee beans and dip them into the bean tank. Fill up the beans container with fresh coffee beans. Oh yeah, then you have to smell again on them because it's so nice. There, as you can see, is a grinding adjustment knob, but this knob you only need if it is necessary. In the normal way to use this machine, you do not have to rotate on this knob. So now close the cover and the machine is ready to use. A latte macchiato is a coffee beverage. The name literally means stained milk. This refers to the method of preparation wherein the milk is stained by the addition of espresso. And for this we will need a latte macchiato glass, a can, a little espresso cup, fat-free milk, and of course the coffee machine. So first step, we will need hot milk. So we dip now a half glass full of fat-free milk, or you can use other milk for the bottom slide of latte macchiato. This is not the problem. And we will need a microwave oven. Take the latte macchiato glass with the fresh milk in the microwave and set 1 minute. Now head back to the DeLonghi Magnifica machine. Now we have to produce one of a delicious espresso. Switch on the machine on the on button. Now the machine will prepare a short boot with flushing of water out of the machine, and this is your decision. I am using the hot water what is coming out at the first time of the machine to warm up the cup of coffee every time. This is economical, really. because it's hot water is coming out to make a clean out of the pipes inside the machine, and in the same step we are heating up a little bit our cups. This is easy, as you can see. Okay, now let's perform a delicious espresso. For this, on the left side switch, this is how large your coffee will be later. On the right side, this is the maximum range. In the center, this is the standard. And on the left side, this is for espresso. So now we get to set number 2. And on the right side, this is for the strong of your coffee. If you like strong coffee, rotate it to the maximum range. If you like medium coffee range, do this in the center. And you like the minimum range, turn it to the left position. But we will need the maximum range of the espresso. For a better crema, use the extraction valve of the coffee and take them down. And if the LED light is on, then place the cup under the coffee machine and make a fresh espresso coffee. At the same time, the milk is now hot because of the microwave oven. And as you can see, we are making fresh espresso out of beans. On the right side, this is the water tank. And now the DeLonghi machine is producing some fresh espresso. Latte Macchiato differs significant from Caffelatte in several ways. First, in a Latte Macchiato, espresso is added to milk rather than milk to espresso as in a Caffelatte. Second, a Latte Macchiato features more foam rather than simple hot milk. So now we have to make the next layer in our latte. For this, I'm using a spoon and place the spoon over the milk, and then I am dipping a little bit and slow and smooth the espresso into the milk. Because of the espresso is hotter than the milk, the espresso will stay above the milk. Do this smooth and gentle. Or you can handle it without a spoon, as you can see. Only dip it smooth and gentle. Let it dip a little bit slowly. Slowly. Good job. Yeah, that it is. And then you have 2 layers of milk and macchiato coffee. So, as you can see, there it is. Coffee, milk. Good job. You can perform this much better, I think. I'm a beginner, as you can see. But these are the facts of making latte macchiato. Finally, a latte macchiato is often a layered drink rather than being mixed as in a coffee latte. Okay, now it's time for the topping. Use for this action only fat-free milk. This is important to make smaller bubbles. Then go to your DeLonghi machine and set to the steam position. Oh yeah, 100 milliliters. This is enough to make a good milk topping. Because of the steam will going into the milk, and the steam will let so many bubbles inside of this. So the product at the end will be 300 or 400 milliliters. So now it's time to make a fresh topping. You are perform this with 2 hands. So you will take the cup and hold it until you're rotating the steam knob. Okay, to position 1. I only have 1 hand right now, so I have performed this in this way. So now the steam is coming out of the machine and going through the milk. Do not perform this more than 3 minutes in one quest. This is important because of overheating the machine. Important danger of burns. Always turn the steam knob to position 0 before removing the container of the frozen milk. Avoid burns caused by splash of boiling milk. Of course, I have only one hand, so I have to lift it up, down, and then rotate the knob. You will perform with 2 hands, of course. This is important for you. Okay, now let's go to the next or the last layer. Now use a spoon to give this delicious topping on the next or on the last layer of our drink. And then Latte Macchiato is ready to use. I think you should make a little bit more milk inside the latte, as I did it, because there's so much range, but you can handle this. Dip a little bit more milk at the beginning, hot milk, and then you have a delicious topping on top, okay? But as you can see, milk, coffee, and topping, creamy froth. Now a little bit of extra is to make cacao on top, and then your latte macchiato is ready to drink. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Delicious. Soon.